Hello, Prospecting with Larry. If you've seen this video, my last video from May, that's when the creek was flowing. And I showed you this log. That's where that log got jammed up. The water is flowing down here. Came down. It was dropping right in there. That little fall there. And then going out. And then over there. And that spot is where I had found the 3/4 of an ounce. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get set up with equipment, but I want to show you this. This is bedrock right here. This big rock. And so if gold made its way down, maybe made it into here, it would get trapped in this debris field right in here. And then the next spot, it would drop down here. And again, I'm standing on bedrock, and there's these little pockets and crevices back in here. I'll clean all that out, work around. Clean these crevices. This is already pretty clean. You can see how the water did that naturally. It just blew everything right out of there. And then it started to build up here again. And then continued on down the creek. But this spot right here, just this trough right here, there could be gold right here, if it made its way down. So I got some work to do. Again, I got to get all the tools out because everything's put away. I'll get down in here, I'll vacuum this all out, and then I'll bring it up and run it through the tumbler and the gold wheel, and we'll see what we got. All right, so I'll be in touch. Bye.